a second. But we have bigger problems than that. And that's what we're trying to do. We never just want to solve the debt ceiling problem. We want to get the debt spending under control. You know, and that's really where our problem is.
That we wanted to reward. We wouldn't have half these problems.
I was going to say, I mean, if we didn't go into Afghanistan, we had to go.
I was going to say, those aren't those we chose. They were
Iraq was.
Wait, did you forget that Saddam Hussein had weapons of mass destruction aimed at us? That those weapons were about any day they could destroy New York. We saved New York City when we went into Baghdad.
Right.
Okay?
I'm shocked.
Wait.
But let me tell you something. I'm shocked and appalled that they didn't freaking plant any to at least get that up. That army.
Wait.
But they couldn't even make them up.
Wait, all right. So we went in there. We didn't find weapons of mass destruction. How did we know?
But that's my point. What the hell are we doing with our money? We're that free with our money to go and say we can just throw this much money away because we didn't oops. We didn't oops, as Ms. Cass said.
I believe the United States government saw Saddam Hussein as a threat to our oil pipeline, and they wanted him out of there, based on what happened in Kuwait.
As opposed